Hey friend, my name is Ranjay Pachuku and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. So today we are going to see how to make easy and simple Faluda recipe. So before starting the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel which is Quick Tasty Bites. So now take a utensil and now add all the milk in it. So now let the milk get boiled. Once the milk is boiled, now add the ready-made Faluda in it and stir it well. Now cook the Faluda for 10 minutes on slow flame. Once the Faluda is cooked, turn off the gas and keep it aside to cool it down. Once the Faluda is cooled down, keep it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours.